Let's take an ordinary kitchen scale. This one can only display grams and not any smaller units. But we would like to measure a small object, let's say the mass of a single piece of macaroni. Nothing? Yes, you will suggest a solution. Measure, for example, the mass of 8 pieces of macaroni and divide the displayed result by 8. However, we would like to measure the mass of a certain piece of macaroni. Using some knowledge and imagination will help us. We will use a wooden stick as shown. In addition, we have already stuck 2 pieces of a pencil to the stick. They are approximately 12 centimeters apart. The stick will serve as a lever. Certainly no need to use books about physics for this experiment. Just be sure they are massive enough. The other end of the stick is prepared for a measured object. Here we used some adhesive tape and paper in order to create a nice platform to put the object on. 2 steps are needed to calibrate the improved kitchen scale. First, we press the Tara button and the scale displays 0. Then we put an object with precisely known mass on the sample holder. In our case, the object is a €2 coin. Its mass is 8.50 grams, maybe 2 or 3 hundredths more or less. What's the reading? 106 grams. That is perfectly logical. The leverage causes this significant difference between the real mass and the displayed mass. The stuck pieces of pencil ensure that the forces act at the well-defined points of the stick, always the same. Now it's time for a single piece of macaroni. Yeah. What's the reading? 16 grams. Let's calculate. The real mass of the coin and the mass displayed are essential readings. The 2 readings will provide the ratio. The ratio is 12.47. Thus, all readings of our improved kitchen scale must be divided by 12.47. The reading of the selected piece of macaroni was 16 grams. Thus, its mass is 1.3 grams. Certainly, it could be a few hundredths more or less. Here are the results of several pieces of macaroni. Mission accomplished!